Departure Piedmont 4914, 3.5 on 5,000.
My 4914, departure ready contact line, maintain 1010,000.
I maintain 10,000, Piedmont 4914.
4914, turn right, direct to Stalin.
14. Piedmont 4914, we're going to need to return back to the airport. We're having looks like maybe a potential issue with the landing gear.
Piedmont 4914, okay, thanks. And, all right, just stay on that heading for now. Use traffic off your right, descend and maintain 8,000.
All right, maintain present heading and descend maintain 8,000. We're going to need to run a couple checklists. We're going to need some delay vectors.
All right, just stay on the heading for now, and we'll work that out for you, whatever you need.
All right, thanks.
4914, turn right heading 020. Okay, Piedmont 4914, let's go to your issue now. How much time do you need, and what is the nature of your problem?
We'll only be about 5 minutes. We're planning for a normal landing on 27 left, Piedmont 4914.
Okay, but no assistance required, just a landing gear issue?
For now, no assistance, Piedmont 4914.
Okay, I'm going to leave you on that heading. Speed your discretion. Just let me know. We'll try to time it out here to get you back to the field in about 15 minutes. Is that right?
Yeah, sounds great. Piedmont 4914.
Okay. 4914, you can descend and maintain 5,000 and turn right heading 060.
Heading 060 down to 5,000, Piedmont 4914.
4914, turn right heading of 120. 4914, for your planning purposes, you'll be inbound for 27 left.
4914.
Piedmont 4914, just want to verify, are you declaring an emergency?
4914.
Roger, just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Wilco, Piedmont 4914.
4914, right turn, heading 180.
Heading 180, Piedmont 4914.
Piedmont 4914, we're ready to come back in.
Piedmont 4914, Roger, send and maintain 4,000. You turn right heading 240, during a localized 27 left.
Send maintain 4,000, right turn, heading 240, join the localized, Piedmont 4914. Piedmont 4914, we have normal gear indication here, so everything should be fine.
Piedmont 4914, very good. We'll call 8 miles from Torn, 3,000 out your established on the localizer, clear for the ILS 27 left.
Left, Piedmont 4914.
Piedmont 4914, contact the tower 118.5.
Tower 185, Piedmont 4914. Tower Piedmont 4914, ILS 27 left.
Piedmont 4914, Philly Tower, runway 27 left, clear to land, wind 21010.
Clear to land 27 left, Piedmont 4914.
Piedmont 4914, right turn when able to taxi via Zulu Kilo. Hold short of Kilo 4, remain this frequency.
Zulu Kilo, short of Kilo 4 with you, Piedmont 4914.